This is Red Alert back. Today I'm going to be doing a review. First time in a while, I know, I apologize. Things have been changing around here at the office and schedules change, so I haven't had time or the ability to do reviews, and I like doing reviews by myself mostly. Don't like to have people around me, or I just generally like to be alone when I do this. So I'm running out of time where I'm by myself, which is good. Family time is great, but alone time to be able to do this and just have fun with it, that's on the decline. So I'll do these when I can. So today, stepping back into it with something small, but yet ultimately very cool. I managed to pick this guy up through Engineer Hoist. I had him add this figure to his pile, and just gave him the money when after it got here and the handoff occurred. We're going to be looking at Iron Factory Racing Bros Annihilator, aka Red Alert. This is a very nice looking box. Iron Factory EX-26A, A for Annihilator. Box art. So there's a Weeblo, sort of other things, product shots. This guy is very cool, very nice. Let's get him out of the box. This is the same mold with a little bit of retooling from the side swipe. Take him out. He's in a very nice clamshell. I hope it's coming across all right. Using a couple new LED lights for my lighting. His instructions, which I'm not going to take out of the package, but they're very nicely detailed. They're nice line art or wire art with the red telling you what to do. And let's take him out. Let's lower this down a little bit. And he comes with a right and a left side missile launcher. Not sure why that is. I guess just a holdover. He can use them both at the same time, but he's not one of the Datsun figures, so he doesn't require one for each shoulder. Very nice rifle there in the figure. Very finely detailed. This guy looks great. Turn around the back. Some car kibble. I'm waiting on Ripper levels. They just started their 50% off sale, but their November or December update has not hit yet. It's mid-November right now, but unfortunately they don't have anything there I really want quite yet. I was waiting to see if they were going to do a set for him. He's got these posts on either side of his head, and the launcher has the little hole socket right there. Put the post in. That's that. Raise it up. Looks good. It's got the tab here, which I'm guessing would be for alt mode. Try and put it in, but he doesn't have any slots in alt mode to be able to do that. So I'm not quite sure why. It must just be a holdover from the side swipe. If you want to do a double launcher, it's just absurd. Let's put that back in there. handle can flip in. I'm guessing for storage in alt mode, but with like the launcher, there is no storage in alt mode for this. I don't understand why, but just not. The gun rifle just fit right into his hand. There we go. There we have Annihilator, aka Red Alert, out of the packaging. Just 1 second here. Okay. Let's take a look at the details. Fire department right there on the chest. And on his arm. Each side, like it does for the doors. The articulation kind of suffers really bad in the shoulders here. They don't go out very far. So that really kind of stinks. If you want to put his arm out, you have to raise it up. Put it out like that. That's about it. Doesn't really do much. You can go up a little bit and then straight out. I really wish that little, you can see it right in the middle, really wish that red can go down some, but it just won't. No, I'm not going to break this guy. Nice knee details with the blue. Let's go ahead and go over the articulation. You try and do his arms. It can do a full 360, but it's going to lean in towards the bot when you go upwards. It's got a bicep rotation, over 90 degrees at the elbow, which is always a nice thing. Nothing but a transformation hinge on the wrist going inwards. He has waist rotation. You have to kind of move his backpack out a little bit to get to it, to allow it to go further, but it doesn't stop. There you go. His hips are just simple ball, T-shaped ball joints. Move the arms up out of the way. Can go straight out. Do the Van Damme. Do the Van Dambo. Thunderbolt and lightning. Yay! Go straight forward. You can kick back very well. Very nice. Over 90 degree knee bend. And because of the way the feet work, you do get ankle. You actually stand them up a lot taller. But this swivels outwards for transformation, so that will allow you some ankle pivot. Goes that way for a wide stance, and the opposite way for transformation. So, this is a very cool little bot. Well, pop that off just because, things bump into each other. And they're just now really released the Jazz version, which is very similar to this. But the chest kind of only goes down that far, so obviously it's not going to cover his face like this. But they've retooled the shoulders as well to where the top piece here swivels forward and has a speaker on it. Well, looks like a speaker. But getting down transformation, let's go ahead and just straighten out the arms. Swivel in the hands. That part done. I'd like to tilt the head back a little bit. Bring the chest forward. And bring the hood forward a little bit like that. Sorry, I got to get used to the angle of which this camera films. Bring the chest up over the head. Bring the hood back down. Lift the hood, lift the the roof of the car up, extend out the chest, just like that. You can go ahead and bring the arms upwards now and peg them into place. There we go. Now, legs. Flip open the insides of the legs. Peg the legs together. Swivel the waist. Bring the feet out sideways like that. Rotate the toes inwards so it goes in that little cavity right there. Swing the legs back up. Kind of keeping it somewhat bent like that a little bit. There we go. Bring the roof of the car back down. And there's two tabs right here going to fit into slots in the top of the back of the knee, back of the legs, like that. Then just pull it all together. And close up the under part of the car. Then just press and squeeze and press and squeeze, press and squeeze. If you please. Lots of pressing and squeezing. There we go. Annihilator / Red Alert in alt mode. Put that down. Let's take a look. And he is a very nice looking stylized car. Wheels are very, very thin. See that there? Aye. But they do roll. And it is just, paper stock underneath here, so stop bumping into the side of your display. There's a front profile. Other side. Back. I like those exhausts. Those are pretty cool. But there's nothing paint-wise other than this, other than the major, Red Alert bottom portion of the car painted red, top white with the fire department on the logo on the door. Kind of a bummer that that's all the paint that they have. Okay. As I was saying, I don't believe there's any proper storage in vehicle mode. Looks like you can put something right in there. Try and peg it in that way. Peg it from the side. But it doesn't fit. That little tiny peg right there won't even make it in there. Nothing. There's nothing back here that will allow it to set in there. See? Nothing here. No port on top of the... Right here would have been great if they could have put a port there for it. It just kind of stinks. There's nothing to go in. Let's try the launcher. Launcher, I think I've had a little bit of trouble, a little bit of ability to put it in right here. See, but it doesn't. It just barely holds and just falls right out. It's not a very secure fit. It's more like pressure. Pops right out. So unfortunately, if you're going to leave them in alt mode, you've got no ability to display his weapons on the vehicle. Well, it's about as much time as I wanted to spend on this. Hopefully I can get back to putting in a review maybe once a week, hopefully. Don't hold me to that, but I'll do my best to try. I'm also going for a promotion at work. So I applied for the position. We'll see how that goes. Some of my Facebook fans may have seen a few years ago I was rather irritated that I went for the same position and got passed over. Well, position is opening up again like 3 years later, and I'm ready again to give this a shot. So, again, this is the Iron Factory Racing Bros Annihilator, aka Red Alert. And this is Red Alert saying, have a great day. I hope to see you around sometime. Bye now.